So let me take you a tour. There is something. Let me take you guys a tour. In a park, man. Where am I gonna park, man? I'm going to this building over here. The whole parking is full. U-turn here. I'm going to this building, but there is nowhere to park. Oh my god. How am I going to park, guys? The whole place is filled up. You cannot park there. Let me show you no parking zone. How am I going to park? Filled up. Damn, what am I gonna do, man? Okay, let me just enter here. Down here. damn freaking close. We're open actually very late. That's actually the mode here. Yeah, we're still going. This is the data consult south. And then, yeah. Wow. This is a bank. See, the place is so beautiful. It's actually a mall tour. It's a very beautiful mall. Very beautiful place, and it's very tall, super tall. Still taking a walk here. See how beautiful the place is. Plus the grass is up there. Planted something like grass, as you can see. Some more time. We're still taking a walk. I think let's go that side. It's actually very nice. Actually very nice mall. Very beautiful, nice mall. Very nice. Okay, that's it. No, like even like you don't even where to go, because it's big. It's super big. Super big mall. See. Still taking a tour. I don't know, like the stairs. Yeah, they're actually stairs. Let's go down. Wow. Customer service. This one has water. It's like a fountain. It's going down. Wow. It's a nice place. Very nice. You come over here, you can sit, order for your coffee, as you can see from here. It should be, which other mall? There's another mall. It's another big mall I have to take you guys to. See, super nice actually. Super nice. Okay, so like there's a this is a place like a cocktail place. Cafe, as I said, it's a cafe. Yep, let's go. Naturally running late, I have to. Alright guys, so that's enough for today. I think let me drive back. Yeah, this is the mall. Yeah, there. Like a bookstore. Then this is her clothing shop, Altitude. As you can see, it's Altitude. Oh, I think I should come and get some nice clothes out here. It's actually cold altitude. Should come and get some nice clothes. 3 in 1 piece. Should come and get some nice clothes. So this is it. This is it, guys. I think I'm done. Let me take a drive back. Take a drive back. I didn't enter the lift because don't allow. Oh, this is open. I'm going to be one right off my car. Alright, that's it, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Time to cruise back home. Okay. Alright guys, man, like that's all for today. Ariaka, see you guys.